Hey guys, this is Andy. This is Saturday, April 30th. I just got home from turkey hunting, didn't have any luck doing that, and got some rain coming, and I wanted to come check my creek before it gets washed out again. We've had about 10 inches of rain in the last week, and it's just now got down low enough for me to get into. But I just walked up on this bar. See if I can zoom in on this thing. Just laying perfect. Let's see. That thing is pretty. I'm not sure. It's definitely all there. Looked like a little piece of the base was knocked off, but it's pretty sure it's made like that. Kind of a wide point. Look how thin. Nice creek stain. Awesome flaking. I'll get back with you guys if I can find something else. Thanks for watching.